If you're starting from no film school, like I said, this is the right channel. I do mistakes and I'm still learning. Everything is a practice, and every perfectionist has emerged from the ample of mistakes. So let's talk about this. There are good actors, there are excellent actors, and there are those actors who really get on your nerve. So what would you choose to do if you happen to work with an actor who really gets on your nerve? Would you choose to insult the actor in front of the crew, or would you still focus on the shots? Film directing is not only about taking the best shot, but it's also about how you make an actor feel comfortable in doing the best they can, encouraging them. Correct their mistakes privately. That way, they'll gain more confidence and they will definitely look up to you. Don't let your emotion weaken your strength. Don't get me wrong, being diplomatic is the best because time and money is a huge investment. That's take two. You'll see me again.